si Richard ay binabash.
Kasi
Oo.
nga nag-post siya.
Ano nga sinabi ni Richard? Masa?
2 hours in EDSA traffic and counting. From Makati, Ayala, nasa SM EDSA pa lang ako up to now. QC ang punta ko. 1 or 2 hours pa ba? Ilang bus lang ang gumagamit ng bus lane. Bakit hindi buksan during heavy traffic para mas lumuwag ang traffic?
Tapos binash siya dyan.
Nag-comment nga yung mga, ilang netizens na parang insensitive daw si Congressman Goma. It was an opinion and may reklamo at that moment. I don't use a Haggard or a mobile backup for me to go swiftly through traffic. More than that, I don't use the bus lane. I just find it silly that with so much traffic and the lane is not much utilized when it was needed during that time of traffic. It's all about traffic management. Take a look at the Skyway. Why is it at certain times of the day or depending on the volume of traffic, they use the other side of the road for counterflow traffic? This is to alleviate the load of traffic congestion. It is the same with the bus lane. It must be utilized at certain times of the day depending on the traffic load.
Dahil meron na isang post na parang natatangahan dun sa narrative ni Richard at sinabihan siyang gago. Kaya binalikan ni Richard, sinabihan din niyang gago.